Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to give you an Amazon update, ticker symbol AMZN. Go over a couple of articles for you, take a look at the charts, see what they're telling us, and kind of give you my plans and thoughts moving forward. So before we do, just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Hit the notification bell, that way YouTube can let you know every time I release new content. So let's get into it. It says Amazon stock could be a sleeping AI play, according to UBS. We come down here and it says some big technology companies racked up scores on artificial intelligence mentions on their latest earnings calls. So by contrast, Amazon.com has been quieter about its efforts. There were only 12 mentions on AI on Amazon's last earnings call, compared with 65 for Google parent Alphabet and 53 on Microsoft Corporation. But that doesn't mean that Amazon won't benefit from the AI rush, and in fact, it could be proving to be a sleepy play, according to one analyst. Channel feedback suggests AWS is better positioned for generation AI than investors appreciate and would drive growth as early as Q4. Reads the preview for the recent note from UBS analyst Lloyd Walmsley. He called Amazon late to the game but not left behind when it comes to artificial intelligence, adding that now's more sanguine. Okay, sanguine is actually how you say it. I'm not going to lie, I had to pause and Google translate that. Okay, it means positive or optimistic on the prospects of AWS to benefit from generative AI, or the type of AI that Chet helped burst into the public conscious. While most of Amazon's products are in the test phase right now, we're expected all of them to be offered widely before FY23 close. These include Amazon Bedrock, which makes foundational models for AI available for APIs or application program interfaces, as well as Amazon Trainium, which offers lower cost for training models in the cloud. It's also important to note that their stock price has been increased, by one analyst from $130 to $150. Okay, so while some people may not seem that to be a big deal, if you notice recently on the charts, they did just hit close to $130, about $127 to be exact. And we're witnessing a pullback, which is completely normal, which is what we're going to look at the charts and kind of explain here in a minute. But once we hit 150, then what do you think is going to happen to the price target? They're going to raise it again and again and again and again until it's going to eventually start catching up and continue to move and things of that nature. So it could take a while. It's not going to happen overnight, obviously. So I still think at these levels are some pretty good buying opportunities for people who are looking to own Amazon. Like I said, it is kind of in a bearish pattern at the moment, so you may see a little bit cheaper prices than what we're looking at here, which brings me to go into the charts and taking a look at them. All right, guys, taking a look at Amazon.com, ticker symbol AMZN. And for those people who are on StockTwits and bashing the stock and saying that it's trash, let's keep in mind the run-up that it's had since January. If you forgot, 81.43, the low here, all the way to 127 and 48 cents here, which is roughly about 57%. So that's a huge increase over just several months, considering how the market's acting. For this thing to go from there to there is pretty impressive. So right here, typically every time you see, we get to the very tip top of the fib level, you're going to see some type of rejection, at least temporary. The good thing is that we bounced off and we're trying to kind of find some more momentum to get back above 127. In fact, 127.48 is where we would need to blow past and hold support. But worst case, on a red day, really red day, or a couple of red days, we could see about 116. And whenever we settle out there at 116, if we get that low, then I think that we can possibly start kind of moving back up. But nothing goes up forever. This is a lot more healthy here than here. As you see, when you go straight up there, and then if you see go straight up there, typically you see a larger pullback down to the downside, as opposed to steadily running up, small pullback, steadily running up, small pullback, steadily run up, small pullback, steadily run up, small pullback. So if the pattern continues, then we should continue to run up. Just know that if it breaks below 116, then you're looking at 110, then 104, 99. I don't see it getting back down to 81, but if it does, boy, that would be a blessing. I would come back in and gobble some more up at those levels, but until then, I'm just going to try to catch as much as I can on the pullback and continue to build up my position on this particular play here. So anyway, guys, let me know your comments below. Just wanted to give you an update on Amazon. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.